this VTuber, I literally want to put my fist in my mouth. Like, their whole page is so desperate and sleazy. If your page looks like this, I'm telling you right now, you need to change your Twitter page, guys. This is a quote retweet from Rion, or a screenshot tweet that was put out by Rion. Guys, this is the tip of the iceberg, and it gets so crazy after this. Just stay tuned. I screenshotted this because I didn't want to give them the engagement, but can we not fall for this? It sucks that this account is still around doing this, and people are still falling for it, even after people called it out last time. The account we are talking about is Christine Kimberg, pre-debut VTuber. I normally am not of the fan of sending hate to people, so normally I would not call out people like this, but they blatantly repeat this behavior over and over and over and over and over and over and over again, to the point where it makes my brain leak out of my ears. So first off, greetings, VTuber, modeler, illustrator, concept artist, safe for work and not safe for work, 2D/3D animator, and rigger. VTuber and VTuber commissions open. I'm gonna point out a bunch of things. Again, if you do one of these things, there's nothing wrong, right? It's just when all of these behaviors are repeated together that it gets a little bit odd to me. So they claim they're a VTuber, modeler, illustrator, concept artist, safe for work and not safe for work, 2D and 3D animator, and rigger. So their art portfolio, allegedly, is huge. Obviously, there's nothing wrong with artists being experienced in different mediums, right? I can do both 2D and 3D art, but my 3D art is quite rusty now. But they have so much, such a large skill set they offer, and their commissions are open, but they have no link. They have no card to a website with a portfolio. They have no list of rates. They're missing a lot of like proof of work, essentially, things that professional artists who often take commissions would have. Secondly, if we go under their media, they have a lot of anime GIFs that they keep using, and they have basically no artwork. This is some art they've made. Wait, does it actually have somebody else's logo? Wait, Graphic Night. Wait, it's literally somebody else's watermark on this. Wait, big shout out, heartfelt thanks to @Artalox for entrusting me with the design of their VTuber ref sheet. Let's look at the comments. Make sure to tag Pixiv, who made that outfit. Make sure to credit the original artist. Imagine tracing a default V-Roid model. Allegedly, this was traced. Allegedly, the outfit is not their original outfit. I think it's odd that this is a ref sheet, but it's not completed. Wait, why are you using a former HoloLive VTuber in your profile pic? Wait, what? Oh my god, guys, look at their profile photo. Look at the similarities. I wonder who this could be. Could it be Rushia, who used to be part of HoloLive, who retired in 2022? Wait, they claim this overlay is made by them. Hey everyone, need an overlay designed by me? Oh my god, from Etsy? It's literally an overlay set from Etsy that they're claiming to have made. Okay, so they have this. Hey everyone, need an overlay, DM me ASAP. They're claiming to have made this, but we can literally find this on Pinterest. They have so much art, guys. And it all looks so different. Hey everyone, if anybody's interested in a VTuber model, come my way, comms open. So we have example VTuber model, really anime style. But then they also do really esports style graphic logos. And they also do this really anime-esque style Twitter banner. Another example of a really anime style Twitter banner, hypothetically, with a HyperX logo. Oh, this is a reference image from Web? Wait, so it's not even their art, but they're claiming that it's theirs because they're offering to take commissions from it. As an artist, there's nothing wrong with trying different graphic styles. It's fun to experiment, it's fun to try. Like, I have a lot of different art styles, but you're not gonna get this much variety. I'm not trying to flame you or me, right? But even the best artists won't be able to make art with this much variety in between. I don't know if you guys care. I talk about myself a lot because I'm a narcissist, okay? But I can use myself as an example because I am an artist that had to work with a lot of different art styles for my job. I can either do art like this, very realistic styles of rendering. When I do anime style art, it looks really flat. I don't know why, it just ends up looking like that. I'm trying to get better at drawing anime looking people. So this is like more of like an anime-esque style rendering. I mean, you can see in my Etsy shop, even though I've experimented with styles, there's like art consistencies I use. I use a lot of pastel colors. My colors aren't super saturated. They're always in the middle of like the saturation bar typically. I can do different art styles, but you can kind of still tell that the same person had some hand in it with the way I render. Okay, I designed some merch for like an esports brand. I was embodying different styles as I was making it. I think if you look at it, you probably can still tell this is made by me, even though there's like different styles that I'm embodying through it. But I'm just gonna be blunt, like with this person's account, it's too different. Like this is way way too different. This is just one of the things that I have against this account, okay? Not only the fact that they're using an already graduated VTuber's profile photo, they claim to be an artist, but I would argue they're not an artist. But the next thing that's really sus about this account is the fact that they're blatantly engagement farming, and I've never seen a bot engagement farm as hard as Christine Kimberg. In search of small VTubers emoji, in search of small VTubers emoji, in search of small VTubers. Oh my god. Since mine is a small account as well, let's help each other, like and retweet so we can all do a follow for follow. If you guys don't know what a follow for follow is, it means that you guys, two accounts, two creators, follow each other, so you guys both get a +1 in followers. On paper, that might sound really good. You guys might hear that and be like, wow, this is a great way to get followers and grow my account. Not all followers are good followers, okay? You can have 100,000 followers, but if they are all bots, those followers are useless to you. No company will want to work with you if you have 100,000 bot followers, which, by the way, companies have ways to tell. There is data and analytics that they can use to tell. Having a follower who is following you for their own personal gain because they want you to follow them back is not an objectively good follower. If you have 1,000 followers of only people that followed you because they wanted your follow back, that is a worthless set of followers. It doesn't lead to anything. These are people that would never engage with your tweets. These are people that would never comment on your tweets. These are people that would never like your tweets. These are people that would never come from Twitter and then go follow you on Twitch to go give you like views on Twitch and come chat in your Twitch stream, right? I hate so much when accounts do these like engagement farms because genuine people fall for it. Kind-hearted, good art people who's a small streamer, a small creator who's just misinformed, who literally fell for it because they thought it was a good intention thing. I literally fell for follow when I started streaming. So I'm not trying to call out anybody who fell for it on accident because I fell for it. I genuinely thought it was a good intention thing. Then I realized it wasn't. It makes me so mad because so many like small creators fall for it not knowing any better. But their entire account is all of this. Look, support small streamers, support small streamers. If you're a small streamer, reply and I'll follow you. This was the one that blew up. Small accounts matter, small accounts matter. Engage with small accounts. If you're smaller, reply so I can follow you. And so many people are engaging. And I feel so bad for everybody that engaged, right? Like this guy's a really talented artist. And these are all just like good intentioned people that just don't know any better, that fell for this bot that is engagement farming. I'm not trying to shade anybody who fell for it. I literally have fallen for this too. Also, I think it's weird they're sending the same message to everyone. In search of small VTubers, in search of small VTubers, right? Like this is so sad that so many people fell for this because this person is just manipulating and engagement baiting. But guys, there's more. This is a rabbit hole of so many of these engagement farming bot VTuber accounts. Okay, let me show you something. Who does Christine always interact with, guys? There's this account, Lisa Jim, VTuber artist, and Christine is just always retweeting them. And all this person posts is these freaking cringe engagement bait tweets. Lisa Jim is a VTuber artist. Hey, I love VTubing and I designs VTubers 2 and 3D model. I also designs profile photo, header, overlays, emotes, NFT, and all animations. 3D artist or 3D designer. Hey guys, class, what were the red flags that I taught you guys to look out for? 1, if somebody's skill set is massive, but the amount of art they have to show for it is puny. They are both a 2D and a 3D artist, which is really difficult to do both. Typically, people specialize in one or the other. They typically don't do both. Really, some people can, right? There's really talented artists out there, but they would also have examples to show. They design profile photos, headers, overlays, emotes, NFTs, all animations. Let's look at their media. All of these GIFs. Wait a second though, guys. They seem to like to use the same GIFs Christine likes to use. Look, it's the same black Shiba or bear hoodie girl slapping the table. Christine also likes to use this emote too. If we scroll down here, they also like to use chibi fox girls a lot. This little chibi fox girl, this account is literally using these same GIFs, same emojis, everything. And what do you know? Let's look at their media. Wow, get ready for a journey beyond reality with our dynamic VTuber superstar. Unlock the power of virtual expression with our VTuber avatar. Your story, your way, emojis. This reads very ChatGPT to me. Step into the future of entertainment with our stunning VTuber models. Emoji. Wait a second here. If we reverse image search this model, okay, so this guy is Ike from Niji Sanji, but our girl Lisa Jim is claiming to have made this model. Oh, look, they also happen to make really anime esports style edits. More esports logos, more esports art, but then they also make really anime style characters. They claim to have made all of these, but the art style varies so much. Yeah, and there's no 3D art, by the way. They claim to be a 3D artist, but they have no 3D art examples. And then this is just AI to me. Look at the hand. Look at how jacked this hand is. What happened to this hand? Look at this hand again. Like, what is happening to these fingers up here? AI will draw like random scribbles, but then it wouldn't make sense. I think this is supposed to be the details on the side of the shoe, but why does it look like that? It's very blobby looking. This is supposed to be a character design of the same character. This character is supposed to have one triangle on one thigh high and a garter and an X on the knee. But look at this character that's facing the same way. Now there are 2 arrows, no X, and no garter on this leg. I think this is just because AI is not drawing it correctly. Why does the logo look like a puffle wearing sunglasses from Club Penguin? Oh, look, another stream starting soon overlay that this person, Lisa, definitely did not make. The art style is too all over the place, too different, and we've already proven this account steals VTuber art. But again, look at the post. It is literally just engagement farming posts. Support small streamers, support small streamers. If you're a smaller streamer, reply and I'll follow you. It's literally the same thing Christine tweeted. They just copy and paste it with a different GIF. The fake Lisa account again. They literally just copy and paste the same message. They retweet each other's messages too. Look, here is Lisa retweeting Christine's message that they literally copied verbatim and tweeted on their own account. The same account over and over and over again. And there's more. I don't really trust basically any account this fake Christine account engages with. Look at Kate Benson, pre-debut VTuber that Christine Kimberg retweeted, okay? Here is our lovely VTuber, Kate Benson. Hey, I love VTubing and I designs VTubers 2D and 3D model, dancing emoji, also designs profile photo, header, overlays, emotes, and all animations. 3D artist or 3D designer in the work. Wait a sec, guys. Isn't that the exact same bio our girl Lisa has, just in different fonts? Hey, I love VTubing, and I designs the same spelling error, by the way, with the plural for designs. VTubers 2D and 3D model with a dancing emoji. Look at Kate's. Same typo. I designs VTubers 2D and 3D model. Same dancing emoji, twin girl dancing, other dude dancing. They both have 3D artist in parentheses or 3D designer as their work. They have the same bio. Let's look at their media. They coincidentally like using the same GIFs that this Christine account uses. This Christine account loves this like red-haired fox chibi girls. And they also like using this little fox chibi girl. Kate is using it. This Christine account also likes using the same GIF. They're claiming to have made this banner for this person, Platts Plays Games. They're also claiming to have made this really, really esports style logo. By the way, look at the watermark. Graphic Knight. The Graphic Knight watermark on this. Remember our Christine account? Where did that thing go? Christine has literally stolen art from the same Graphic Knight person. Look at this art that Christine claims to have made with Graphic Knight's watermark on it. Look at this one that this Kate Benson VTuber account claims to have made, still having the Graphic Knight watermark over it. And they do the same thing. Screenshot of their page, a heart with how many followers they have. Look at Christine. Screenshot of their page, heart for their followers. Also blocking out how many people they follow. The same behavior on this Kate Benson account. I don't think I need to go over this account anymore. You can see this account has so many similarities the other 2 bot accounts have, with, again, claiming to have such a wide skill set in their art, yet having no examples of like half of the skill set they claim to have, which is the exact same thing Lisa has, which is the exact same thing our girl Christine also has. And they're clearly claiming Graphic Knight's art as their own art. And these accounts just perma engagement bait. They literally tweet the same thing. Help small streamers grow. Help small streamers grow. Here's Christine's account. Small accounts matter. Small accounts matter. Engage with small accounts. If you're smaller, reply so I can follow you. Screenshot. 8 notifications, 6 DMs. They literally copy this exact same thing. Small accounts matter. Small accounts matter. Same screenshot. Same numbers. Look. Engage with small accounts. If you're smaller, reply so I can follow you. Same rocket emoji. I wonder if there's any more accounts this Christine account has engaged with. That is also a bot. Now we have Trisha Henderson. By the way, can I just point out how white these names are? I just think it's funny. Trisha Henderson, Kate Benson, Lisa Jim. Okay, this is like the only one that could potentially be Asian, right? Christine Kimberg. So now we have Trisha Henderson, graphic designer, obsessed with creativity, can design all kinds, customize logo, banner, emotes, sub badges, and everything for streamers. DM for info. Once again, no portfolio, no card, no prices. But they have a big skill set. 3D artist or in parentheses 3D designer. They use the same work label as all of these guys. Christine has that too. All of these guys in their bio have the same work label. Does anyone want a logo for their channel? Just message me for my commissions. Made this beautiful logo for my lovely friend, AA Blue. Such a great person to work with him. Commissions open with the same Graphic Knight logo. Do you see the watermark over it? The Graphic Knight watermark. They also do the exact same copy pasta. I cannot say this enough. Support small accounts. Wait a second here though. Didn't Lisa Jim tweet out the exact same thing? This is the exact same message with a different screenshot. Just engagement farming like hell. This person instead just keeps posting kick and Twitch graphic like logos and just like Twitch analytics. But this is a fake January analytic and they tweeted this out in May. Oh, and what do you know? When we get all the way to the bottom, just look at this, guys. Their fake art portfolio is literally the same. They also coincidentally happen to do a lot of esports logos with somebody else's Behance on the bottom, by the way. They also do League of Legends overlays, and it is Graphic Knight. Look at this logo with Graphic Knight's watermark slapped over it. This is my work. If you want, DM me. Yeah, Trissa. Okay, got it. And you also do really esports style edits, and they make emotes, and they also tag the same accounts, and they all say they make VTuber logos. If you're gonna claim you made a VTuber model, can you wipe out the copyright on the bottom before you do this? I'm just saying. This is a reference image from Web. Wait, isn't that what these guys all said? Lisa J yoinked this screenshot of a VTuber then has the exact same copy pasta. This is a reference image from Web. It's the same thing. Trisha is typing the same way. Graphic Knight keeps getting their stuff stolen by these guys. Graphic Knight has 34 posts. This is Graphic Knight's logo. The same logo watermark we saw in all these bot accounts. Creative, professional, ethical. Looking for one-stop solutions for all of your digital art? You're in the right place. Empowering female artists. And he's retweeting all of these accounts. Wait a sec, is Graphic Knights in on this? I'm so confused. Wait, all of this art then does not belong to Graphic Knights. Wait, does Graphic Knights own all these accounts? Because here's this other Jessica account. Professional graphic designer, animator, can make logos, whatever. Okay, I'm sorry, bro, but I made edits like this when I was 13, I'm just saying. All they do is tweet freaking photos of Twitch logos. Wait, the same photos that has the same logo that this Trisha account is tweeting. Same logo, same logo. Once again, we can do the whole song and dance. I'm sure you guys already know, okay? They claim to be an artist. They have no portfolio. They have no links. They have no prices. We scroll all the way down. Look, esports, VTubers, really mobile game-esque badges. Again, the art style is all over the place. And again, all of the stuff they're tweeting out, a lot of these has the Graphic Knight's watermark on it. But this Jessica account claims to have made it. But this is this guy's account. It's Graphic Knight's logo. I thought all of these bot accounts were just stealing from this one account, Graphics Knight. But is it just Graphics Knight running an entire ring of fake accounts to try to get commissions? I think it's fake, and I think Graphic Knight is stealing everyone's art. First off, let's look at this banner. Really low res. This is giving AI to me. Some of you guys get annoyed when I give so many disclaimers for AI. I'm like, I need to give so many disclaimers because when I accuse people of using AI, some people like to say that I am hating on artists, this, that, and the third. Guys, come on, take a look at this, okay? Look at the hair. Why does the hair get thinner and then thicker again? It gets thinner, and then there's like a really big clump, and then it gets thinner. The skirt behavior makes no sense. The lines start disappearing in the skirt and it will reappear again. These are supposed to be butterflies, but what is this? This like butterfly got split in two or something, but these look like they should be butterflies. Very AI banner. Let's look at their media because they claim to be an artist. Anyone needs a Viking logo or something similar to that, DM. Reference from Web, they type the same way these bots type. Again, the same massive art style. We have a really esportsy mobile game style, another really mobile game style, but then they also claim to make VTubers. The portfolio, quote unquote, for all of these bot accounts are the same. They both somehow do anime art and very esports looking logos and Twitch overlays and these types of edits, which look sick, but like a very different art style. So my theory is this Graphic Knight person just made like a whole bunch of fake accounts that they keep engaging with each other with. So this is just one crazy massive conspiracy account where all of these bot accounts are under this Graphic Knight account that they're running. But guys, this is like the craziest freaking conspiracy rabbit hole we just went down ever. I thought last week's rabbit hole that we went down was crazy. This is another one, and it's nuts, and it's just full of engagement farming bots. And they're all fake. These are all like fake accounts claiming to be artists, claiming to do commissions, claiming they have such a huge skill set of 2D and 3D art and being an illustrator, concept artist, this, that, and the third, with no art to show for it. They have no 3D arts to show. They have no rigs to show, even though they claim to be able to rig graphic and to animate. And instead they just keep stealing everything from this Graphic Knight account. But it turns out Graphic Knight account is also a bot that is stealing art from everyone. And it's all just a fake little ring. Anyways, guys, be safe, beware. If you take commissions from people online, like on Twitter, please don't do it through DMs because you will get scammed. Please take it through a reputable site like VGen or Fiverr or something so you stay protected and you can guarantee you get your artwork. Okay, I don't want to be making these videos to discourage you guys from commissioning artists because artists are great. I love artists. I love commissioning artists. I don't commission bots though, and these guys are clearly bots.